Alright guys, welcome to another video. We're here in Ochi, we're on our way to Portland, and that's going to take a very long time, so we stopped to get some supplies and snacks and whatnot before we head on the way. We're a good 2 hours or more away, so we'll be stopping along the way, taking in the sights and whatnot. I'm really excited to get the family to Portland to show them how nice that parish is. As you guys know, that's my favorite part in Jamaica. Portland. We got something to eat. We got our passes to Somerset, so we'll be heading there soon. We're here in Somerset Falls. That's the entrance behind us. We're ready to get in. You guys excited?
Yeah!
Let's go. On our way to the waterfall. Had to climb up these steps. It is so hot today. That cold mountain water will do really well. Alright, so we're at the top. There's this little hut, and the view from this hut is really amazing. If we take a look at it, take a look. Look at that water behind there, it's so nice. Swimming is not allowed there, it's too deep, and of course it's kind of difficult to get down. We're going to wait on this pond here for the boat to come. Yes, a boat comes and takes us to the main waterfall. Pretty exciting stuff. It's not like a normal waterfall. Great now. Oh shucks, it didn't have plenty of water as usual. Watch a little. Watch a little bit. Lord! Whoa! So that was Somerset Falls. We just went to the waterfall. It was really good. Come guys, come. So what do you guys think of the Somerset Falls? Good? It was good?
Yeah.
Giovanna was afraid. It's kind of dark, but it's pretty interesting, and definitely, as Rika was telling me, if you can't swim it could be a bit frightening. Alright, but it was great nonetheless. That fresh river water is always good. did the waterfalls there in Somerset. We're still in the compound. The family's in the swimming pool. After we finish here, we'll be heading to the hotel to spend a night in Portland and continue our adventures tomorrow.